Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn some new words and sentences from the book Go Away Big Green Monster by Emberley. There are 3 learning points in this book. First one is color. Second one is adjectives. Third one is body parts. In this video, I will not read the book. We are only going to listen and repeat some new words and sentences. After the video, go online and find the book and practice what you learned today. Let's begin. Now I am going to say some words and you have to listen and then repeat. First one, monster. Monster. Next one, yellow. Yellow. Eyes. Eyes. Squiggly. Squiggly. Long. Long. Face. Face. Blue. Blue. Scary. Scary. And last one, mouth. Mouth. And what do these words mean in Korean? Let's find out. Now let's do some sentences. First one is, you don't scare me. You don't scare me. And last one, go away. Go away. And now let's find out what these sentences mean in Korean. Good job, guys. Don't forget, find the book reading online and practice together. See you next time.